In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nutshell CRM. We'll move from the basics of adding contacts to creating leads and finally to tracking them through your sales pipeline so you always know what to work on next. First, let's get your contacts into the system. At the top of your screen, click the plus Add New button and choose Company. You'll see a simple form where you can enter the company name along with helpful details like phone, email, address, and industry. Fill in what you have today, and don't worry, you can update anything later. Accurate information here pays off downstream because it makes searching, filtering, and outreach far easier. After saving the company, add the people you work with. Click plus, add new again, select person, and connect that person to the company you just created. Include their role and best contact details so your team knows exactly who to reach and how. Next, create a lead to track a potential sale. Click plus add new and select lead. Give your lead a clear name that you and your teammates will recognize. Link it to the associated company and the right people. Then set an expected close date so your pipeline reflects realistic timing. Choose a lead source to record where it came from and assign a confidence level to indicate how likely it is to close. Finally, assign the lead to the teammate responsible for moving it forward. Once saved, this lead becomes the central record for the deal, keeping everything, activity, communication, and status in one place. Now, work that lead through your pipeline. Open the Leads view and switch to Board view. You'll see your pipeline stages spread across the top in columns. Drag and drop each lead from one stage to the next as progress is made. For example, from contacted to proposal. This visual workflow makes it easy to spot bottlenecks and keeps the whole team aligned. When your list gets busy, use the built-in sorting and filters to focus. Sort by date to see what's closing soon, by value to prioritize the biggest deals, by priority to handle urgent work, or by assignee to review each teammate's workload. That's the core flow. Add companies and people, create leads tied to them, and manage those leads in Board view. If you ever need more detail or troubleshooting, the Nutshell Help Center has step-by-step articles to guide you. Practice these basics, keep your data clean, and your pipeline will stay clear and actionable.